Okay, she's sitting. We can work with this.
You want a supermodel pose like my real friend Wynne?
Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? Today we're gonna get into how I installed this really cute Beyonce circa 2001 blonde highlighted wig unit. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so the wig is prepped and ready. Ignore my janky wig cap situation. I booked a one-way trip to Struggle Town and I did not have any more full wig caps left, so I had to make this little piece I had work, honey, but I'm gonna end up doing a middle part, so this should be fine. I have the wig prepped and ready like I said. This unit is from nadulatb. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula. This is their 13x4 lace front wig with blonde highlights, and it's in the length 24 inches. All the details to the wig will be down below in the description bar so you guys can check it out, as well as the coupon code, so you know. Shout out your girl. So I've already bleached the knots a little bit. I honestly didn't have to. And then I just pressed the hairline going back. And right now I'm just tightening the adjustable straps in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have them on the first notch. Let me take this little bun situation out, baby. It is ghetto over here today. What is going on? I like to use the clip in the back, the little comb in the back, to make sure that everything is even, because I am notorious for putting on my wigs crooked, especially on camera, because I kind of my hand-eye coordination is terrible and I can't tell what I'm doing for real. Let me cut this extra lace off before it mess up my eyebrows. That would not be fun. Okay, yeah, because baby, I was getting nervous. Okay, she's sitting, giving the girls Beyonce realness. Okay, we can work with this. And the hairline is pretty much perfect for me. Sometimes they give me too much hair right here, but it is literally fitting perfect. If I was not wearing a middle part, I would be a little shook about the sides, but they actually should be fine because I'm wearing a middle part, so I'm not gonna stress. I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glue spray and spray it in the hairline so I can get the wig to stay down. I like to just dot it in and then I'll spread it around after that. I've been in a wig mood lately, but I haven't been wearing them for long, so I've been really doing lots of glueless installs, and baby, I am here for it. I be trying to catch a vibe and then take it off when it's time to go to sleep. Serve a look, okay, and then go to bed comfortably. Baby, do you hear me? I'm gonna take my little hood scarf and tie it down. Okay, so while my hair is drying, actually I'm going to go ahead and trim a little bit off these ends. Y'all know I don't like the natural feathery ends. I prefer a little bit more of a blunt cut. So let's get into it. Let's not waste no time. So I've brushed the hair out and then I'm just taking the ends. So I'm literally just gonna cut off that much. Nothing crazy. I just want it to look a little bit more even at the bottom. All right. Ooh, not mad at it. So I'm gonna take my scissors and just cut off the extra lace. I'm gonna try to cut it a little jagged. I don't want it to be too perfect because then it doesn't look as natural. Okay, so far this is what it's giving. I am not mad at it, but I'm gonna do a middle part and I want to add a little bit of baby hair right in this area, so I'm just gonna comb it out. And then I'm using some Got To Be Glue gel to lay the baby hairs down. When I'm doing a glueless method, I really like to use the Got To Be gel to lay the baby hairs down just because it adds extra holds. So yeah, nothing too crazy, just something really simple, a little swoopy swoop, nothing wild. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. I wanna go for a middle part, so I'm just gonna go ahead and part it before we start styling. a lot of volume in this frontal, so I'm actually going to go through section by section and press this out, because if I just press the part on this one, it's not going to lay down right. So just go in and give her a little press so sis can lay down right. It looks good though. So far so good. Okay, so I got it relatively flat. I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of my Style Factor Edge Control to tame it a little, to get like the little flyaways and stuff to calm down. I'm just taking a little bit and I'm rubbing it around the part. Okay, so this is the wig I already put on. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron everything because I was gonna curl it, but I feel like it'll look better straight. So I'm about to go in and flat iron everything, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done because that's gonna be boring to watch. Okay, so this is the finished look. I put my little chocolate dress on to match the hair. I'm about to take some pictures. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. It was super simple and straight to the point. Follow me over on Instagram if you want to see the pictures that I took wearing this hair, because of course I'm about to take some cute ones. I already know. My Instagram is @WynneJean. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video if you like this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.